Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel, to another video. Today we're tackling the baby's room. The baby's room, it is not done by any means, it's not even started. It's just been a dumping ground and I want to reorganize it, get rid of some of the stuff, just make more sense of it. Let me show you what I mean. Ready for this. Yep, this is what the baby's room is looking like. Just crazy and completely out of hand. I have actually just bought a second-hand small crib. This is a Snooze Pod 2. I bought it, let me take this out. Oops, sorry. Some presents. This is what it looks like, and this part comes out completely so you can carry it around. Came with a mattress which I will bin, and I will buy a brand new mattress, and I will wash all of these material, this canvas kind of stuff. You can hand wash it, so I will do just that and get it nice and clean. And yeah, this is what I wanted. Brand new, they are £200. I'll put a link to them so you can see what they do. I did not want a Moses basket because I had that with Alex and I found that they were just not sturdy enough. And what I like is that you can unzip this side and get the baby out sideways so it's easier to feed in the night. So yeah, I'm really pleased. I paid £30. I'm not sure if I've said that already. I've got loads of clothes that my friend, the lovely Diege, sent me 2 massive boxes of clothes. They're mainly boy clothes, but there's a lot of, how can I say this, neutral stuff like this. Look at this. Look at the cuteness. That is so cute. But I even thought if I had a girl, something like this, I can get those iron-on patches with some flowers and just iron them on so it looks more girly. The only reason why I would do that is because when you have a little baby, people don't know if it's a boy or a girl, you know? Most of the times they're bald. You don't know. They don't have hair. So the colours they wear most of the times tells you what gender they are. So that would be the only reason. I don't care if a baby wears blue or pink, but I want people to know it's a girl or it's a boy, if that makes sense. But anyway, back to the mess. There's a lot of stuff here that needs to go up in the loft. So I'm going to put that in a pile ready for Paul to do that this weekend. And yeah, let's just try and organise it better.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow I the only one lost in translation? Where nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the unknown. Whatever may come. Oh, nothing makes sense. Oh, nothing makes sense anymore.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. I'm here. Let it all out of me.
Time for an update. No, it doesn't look like much has happened, but all the stuff in these bags is going in the loft, apart from that one and that one, which is donations. I'm going to donate that. And what happened was, as you start one thing, you realise that you have to sort something else out in order to create room for something else. So, I'm sorry I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs. I went through every single basket. I didn't show you because this is what's inside. That needs to stay kind of private. But anyway, emptied out a load of stuff, went through my clothes and through what I'm going to wear this summer bearing in mind that I'm pregnant, and everything that I was not going to wear, either because it's winter or summer and I'm pregnant and I can't wear it, I've put in one of these bags, which you guys saw. This other bag, it has all my linens for downstairs, like towels, things that I don't use on a day-to-day basis. And these two bags go under the bed. They, in case you're wondering, I bought them many years ago. They're by Kath Kidston. All of this stuff here is being donated, putting it all in the bag. It's stuff that I've not worn this year, that I don't really think I'll wear next year, so just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. I ended up putting this basket under there with a decor. This is out of season decor. Right now I have nowhere else to put it. That basket is empty. That is going to be my like donation pile as I go along. So it is what it is. I'm not intending for it to stay like that. I'm hoping to be able to sort something else out. So I'm going to have to sort this out. As you can see, up there is not too bad. But I need to get rid some of those mats, some of these, make room for other stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna tackle this right now. Oh my god, that's so annoying. I've just done a whole lot of tidying up that and I hadn't pressed record. So this is how it's looking so far. Not that you can see, it's not very good light. It's what I got. So let's keep going.
Down by the sea, at the edge of the water, the coming waves kiss my feet. The touch from the warm wind that's blowing reminded me of you.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Rugs and mats at the back. Behind these, there's loads of towels that are more, you know, if someone's feeling sick, or more like raggy towels kind of thing. And there's also beach towels. And as well, I was able to fit right at the back behind here, which you can't see, Alex's summer duvet. And then I've just got some of our blankets. Some more of our blankets at the back, the big ones, really chunky. And then here, just the towels we use. We have currently 2 sets. One is in use. There's the other set and an extra one for Alex as well. Okay, I think I'm done for now. So all of this is donations. All of the bags are for the loft. That box is full for the loft, and these 2 boxes are here in case I want to put other stuff in the loft. The crib is back in here. All those clothes at some point will be washed. And my friend Carly gave me this backpack changing bag. Brand new. It looks really, really cool. And it will work both for me and Paul when we're going around with the baby. I'm sure I'll do an in-depth thing for that. Here is just like storage bins of sorts, so we'll go through those as we go along. Managed to clear out a little bit. This is where the changing mat is going to go, just on top here, and I'll probably have a caddy at the end with the baby's nappies and things like that. And this is my Easter stuff. This is the new stuff that I showed you, not that, but in a previous haul. Yeah, I'm planning on doing that maybe later this week or next week. So yeah, stuff to take downstairs. The 2 white bags here are rubbish. This is, again, things to take downstairs. This room is back to normal. I have vacuumed everywhere. That chair will go downstairs at some point. So here's looking fine. And then I threw a load of stuff downstairs. Stuff for the wash, stuff for the recycling, you know, the usual. I think that's where I'm going to end this video. Thank you as always for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.